Hello everyone, welcome back to my Dividend Investor channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing my investing goal that has guided me so far, as well as what I'm doing to achieve that goal. And just some disclaimer here, investing is inherently risky and presents a potential loss of capital. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and I strongly recommend that you should consider all information provided on this channel as entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as constituting professional advice. You should seek your own independent legal, financial, taxation, or any other advice to check on how the information here relates to your personal circumstances. First, let's have a quick look at how the market performed this week. The ASX 200 fell by 1.3% due to some volatility in the market. In the US, stocks also fell most of last week due to rising debt yields. But the one thing that attracted my interest here is Magellan Financial falling by 19% on Friday due to ongoing fall in funds under management. While I don't own any individual Magellan shares, I do own it indirectly through my VAS ETF. As a matter of fact, ranked by market capitalization, it is holding number 173 with 0.05% weighting. MFG was a can't do no wrong stock up until 2019, after which it has fallen by 90% up until Friday. And in the last 10 years, the stock is still down by 32%. This is another example of the risk of individual stock investing. For my portfolio, in the last week, I purchased another 22 shares of IVV at a price of $44.65. And that brings my total IVV holdings to 3,477 units. And now, I'd like to share the main goal of my investing journey, and that is to achieve financial independence. Financial independence is the point at which an individual or household has accumulated sufficient financial resources to cover its living expenses without having to actively work to earn money in order to maintain its current lifestyle. The purpose of investing and financial independence will be different for everyone, but for me, it's to spend more time, which is a finite resource, to do what I value, such as hanging out with friends and families, focusing more on my health, traveling, learning, etc. My key action plan for achieving financial independence is to own a diversified group of growing businesses that generate cash and consistently earn above average returns on capital. Now, my analogy is I'll be a farmer that has a goose that lay golden eggs, and I'll use those golden eggs to buy even more geese that lay even more golden eggs. Now, those geese will be named Apple, Disney, MasterCard, Amazon, Tesla, and many, many more. Now, this is the basic principle of the dividend reinvesting approach. So, using that analogy, I currently have two farms in my portfolio. First one is the Australian Shares Index ETF or VAS, which is the top 300 companies in Australia, and the second farm is IVV or S&P 500. My two farms house 800 geese that lay the golden eggs. Most people already know what VAS and IVV are, therefore I won't go too deep into them in this video. I'd just like to point out that when I choose my farms, I prefer broad market indices that capture earnings from the whole economy. And as a whole, as Vanguard and BlackRock are just holding the stocks, their fees should be very low. FAST just recently lowered their management fees from 10 basis points to just 7 basis points. And on the table below, while I have also included FAST's returns, which currently shows that in the last 10 years, FAST has returned 7.8% per year in the last 10 years and comprises from 4.6% from distribution plus 3% capital growth. It's important to note once again that past performance is not indicative of future returns. In the last slide here, as BlackRock only holds the S&P 500, their management fee can be as low as 4 basis points. In the last 10 years, IVV has returned 15% per annum, which is very good. I'd like to note that while my portfolio for financial independence comprises of just VAS and IVV, I may sell them or add other ETFs if I feel that they are more suitable addition to my portfolio. And with that, thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.